Student, today we have a new limit question for you. This question is very important. So let's come, we start this question. Limit extends to -1 extends to 1 and sine x minus 1 divided by x square plus x minus 2. We want to verify this result is 1 by 3. Very interesting proof for you today. So dear student, we are using according to the limit formula. We have already known that we try to make this formula as we know that the formula. First of all, we write in here the rules is limit extends to 0. So we put sine x divided by x is equal to 1. This is the one of the great rule of limit. So if we put directly limit f taking left hand side, we write taking left hand side limit extends to 1 and sine x minus 1 divided by x square plus x minus 1. If we substitute the result, so we get 0 by 0 form, sine and 1 minus 1 and 1 square 1 plus 1 and minus 2, we get sine 0 divided by, and here 2 minus 2, we get sine 0 by 0 form. So further solution we are proceeding our factorization method we are using. In the denominator term we can write the first and the last term if we are multiply to each other. So we will get minus 2 first term and last term. If we multiply we get minus 2 and the middle term is 1 is required. It means that we can write 1 minus 2, we get minus 1. If we multiply both terms, we get minus 2. These are the factor of the middle term. Middle term is 1 minus plus 1 is required. Here plus 1 and minus 1 we can write plus 2 and minus 1 we get. Because and here in the middle term is positive 1 is required. Now limit sine x minus 1 divided by x square plus 2x minus 1x minus 2. Now limit extends to 1 sine x minus 1 divided by x square. We are taking common in here, x is common, x plus 2, and here is also minus 1 is common, x plus 2. Now further if we calculate this result, so sine x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2. Limit extends to 1 sine x minus 1 and divided by x minus 1, and also we are applied this limit extends to 1 divided by x plus 2. We can write all this term, we eliminate this term. Now the problem is in here extends to 0 and but here is extends to 1. If we put again, we put the result is 0 by 0 form. Now we are take the supposition let x minus 1 is equal to t. So x is equal to t plus 1 or 1 plus t. Then what is the result in here when x tends to 1, then what is the result of t? T will be equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So now we change this result. Limit t tends to 0 and the replace of sine x minus 1 we put sine t and x minus 1t. Now we get the required formula, required result of the limit. Limit x tends to 1 and 1 divided by x plus 2. Now this result is equal to 1 into, if we put in here v 1 plus 2, we get 1 by 3, which is the required right hand side of the given result. Thank you very much. This interesting question of the limit. Thank you very much.